Right, I'm back to bail. It's raining. um, I put some stuff back in the car. I've got a load of, I don't know why the toilet tissue's here. Yeah, basically I had to bail, so, well, yeah. So I've got some paper towels, which I don't know where I put them. Where did I put the paper towel? There. Paper towels. So basically, the phone's okay, but that tripod is like got a little bit of moisture on it. So if I just take the GoPro off first. Better late than never. Oh well. Let's clear down. This one, my sleeping bag's in a bibby bag. For that specific reason. This is aluminium, it won't rust. I think this is steel, I think that one. Yeah, I put some stuff in the car. Sorry guys, whoever's camping on the field. I put the firewood back in the car on the front seat. I thought maybe it's nature's way of saying you need to go to bed. It's alright. I've done what I had to do today. Like at least I had a little campfire, so can't really complain. Oh well. Right, that's dry. Let's whack that over there. There's the thumb screw as well. Let's dry this beast up. It's a good tripod, mate. Really happy about this tripod. Feel secure when I can leave the GoPro alone at a distance. If I'm up on top of a tour, no, it's going to be right next to me. So it will fall over. It's amazing, like I'm accumulating like all this kit, like for filming. So, yeah, that's connected. Is that connected?